I have been very vocal about what my opinions are. पता चला हर एक अपने दिमाग में कोई और ही film बना रहा है. I love it when someone has an opinion, and I like to hear it. Earlier, I was surviving. Right now, I think I'm living my life.
Let's do this.
When it comes to you, I get super nervous.
The Zoom house actually.
And
You're more nervous than I am.
Hey guys, my name is Shravan Shah, and today I'm going to be having a conversation with somebody who I admire a lot. For every time she comes on screen, she makes sure she pushes the envelope. Today I'm going to be having a conversation with the very talented Mrunal Thakur. Welcome to Miss Mali Mrunal. How are you?
I am fantastic, Shravan. Thank you for that great introduction, and I admire you too.
Oh, mutual admiration happened. Oh my God!
I'm one step ahead.
Oh my God! Oh God! Also, I like how we are so color coordinated with the shades of green.
Green,
which
yeah.
is the color of freshness and coolness. Which is what cool people like they say. Okay, I'm gonna first of all say, how do you manage Mrunal? Okay, it's a very serious question. I wanted to think about the answer. How do you manage to actually do this all the time to come on screen? Like, you essay such powerful characters, and that we've spoken about this off the camera, and this time I want to talk about it on the camera. Like, how do you manage to pick characters that have so much depth in them? They're not just any other women character that you see on screen. They have the meat. They bring something to the table. Somewhere has that been a conscious decision that I just do not want to be another person on screen?
Shravan, the fact that, there's only one conscious effort that I take, and that is I want to be a part of a good film, a film which will be remembered forever. And if you are a part of good film, no doubt the part is going to be great. So when it comes to Tufan, which just released, I knew that I wanted to be a part of this film because the film was a winner itself. There's the journey, the emotions. It actually felt like a slice of life. My first thing in my mind was I want to be associated with Rakesh sir.
Yeah.
And when I read the story, Shravan, I am kidding you not, I fell in love with the character. My heart started palpitating because the journey of emotions, the kind of emotions Ananya go through was incredible. And something that I had not seen before, something that I had not read before. So I think Ananya is rare, and the reason why she's going to be special is probably because she's rare.
Yeah, that is so true. That is so true. Talking about Ananya, the character of Ananya, what I like about her is that she's strong, she's adamant, she knows what she wants. And she is the person who shapes Achuvai's career for what it is today. Okay. When you play characters like this, I know a lot of actors, always bring, like, I know for a fact that even if I watch Tufan 10 years later from today, okay, I will still see a little bit of Mrunal. Do you manage to always leave that chap, like they say, ke chap chodna? Do you always manage to leave that chap on the character? Or is it like you completely sink in the character and then you just step out?
Shravan, people tell me that, Mrunal, you're an actress. You're not supposed to behave like this. You're not supposed to sit on floor while everyone is talking. And I'm like, this is just me, And somewhere down the line, I don't allow myself to be somebody that I'm not.
Yeah.
I mean, I know I need to behave at times, but that doesn't mean that I will let go of me. And probably this quality allows me to get, the characters, for example, in my mind, it was she's a girl from Dadar, Shivaji Park. She doesn't have mother, so she's been a mother to her father. She's been a friend. She's the only girl in the family. She's also a doctor. So what is her body language going to be like? She's quite going to be somebody who is either reserved, which I don't see Ananya as, or very open.
Yeah.
So And Shravan, I feel like body language says it all.
Yeah.
If you meet somebody like this, they'll be like, this person seems to be like a reserved one. But if you be like, you know what? And that's what Ananya is all about. She's laughing, she's making Ajju laugh. And I think it is very important, like one or two, there were 2-3 points where even my best friend told me that, Mrinal, that moment I felt like this is so you. And I end up saying like, woohoo! So you would see that in the film where I say, Aziz Ali, the champion, woohoo!
You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this conversation with you, which I have gone, with people about actors. Okay, there was a time in actors' life where too much was good. Okay.
Yeah.
Today, that's not the kind of cinema that we've been witnessing. Today, subtlety is good.
Yeah.
Do you follow the same process? के अगर acting कर भी रहे तो ऐसे लगना नहीं चाहिए कि हम acting करें. It should feel like this is how I would behave in general public. This is how I would behave in front of people.
I follow this thing, Shravan. Whenever I'm on set, I don't want to perform. I want to feel it.
Yeah.
So, and if I'm able to feel it, then I think 90% of the job is done. Because no matter how many takes I give, and this is what Rakesh sir also taught me. We actors have this very bad habit of going and checking the monitor after every shot. कि मैंने ठीक किया या नहीं.
Yeah.
But sir told me that, Mrinal, when you feel it, you know it. You don't have to go and see and feel conscious about how you're looking or where your hair is or where your makeup is or where your wardrobe is. And what is more important is to not act. Just feel the character. And that's when the most magical moments come out.
Another thing, very important thing that you spoke about is that as an actor, I'm supposed to feel it. If I don't feel it, how do I expect the millions and billions of people out there who are watching my content to feel that emotion? Okay. Have you ever been in a soup where, you had to actually go back to the director and be like, hey, you know what, buddy? I am not feeling it. How do you expect somebody else to feel it? Has this ever happened to you?
Yeah, this has happened to me in the past. I have been lucky, I have been very vocal about what my opinions are. And it is very important for me and my team, not just the director, but my entire team to be on the same page. पता चला हर एक अपने दिमाग में कोई और ही फिल्म बना रहे हैं, अलग-अलग फिल्म. Yeah, so I think that's probably why we have workshops, why we meet the director or the entire team and we make sure that we are on the same sync. Creative differences are amazing. I love it. I love it when someone has an opinion and I like to hear it. The problem starts when people start agreeing with you. Yes, you're absolutely right. Yes, you're absolutely right. So obviously there were a few moments also in the past. And fortunately, I didn't be a part of those projects because if I'm not convinced, I don't want to, step in half-heartedly on a project and make sure that, I don't give my 100%.
When you said that today the audience has a power to pause, okay, rewind, they can even skip it completely. Okay, because today they have this power sitting at their house. Initially, it was about कि theater में आके देख लेंगे. अब ऑप्शन क्या है कि मैंने हाफ वे भी फिल्म देख ली और मुझे थोड़ा भी डिस्कनेक्शन लग रहा है, आई कैन कंप्लीटली स्वैप आउट ऑफ द फिल्म बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट पेड द टिकट मनी फॉर. ओके, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द एक्टर्स नाउ, ओके, especially since the past, ever since the pandemic has hit us, okay, it is for some strange reason it's become a level playing field because today you're not only competing with your contemporaries, you're competing with actors nationwide or worldwide because today a Tufan is coming on an Amazon, the same place which has content from America, which all around the world, and today I have to choose Tufan over everything else, so the content has to be that great. But as an actor, do you feel it's great that today your worth is not decided based on how much money your film will earn, but actually basis your acting, which is why people become actors, right? Do you think it's become a great thing at least that everybody's got a fair chance to do what actually this business is supposed to do?
Yes, OTT has been a blessing in disguise, Shravan. I feel as an actor, performer, it is important for me to reach to people and their heart. And or forget that living room, in that sense. In that, I feel like the opportunities have opened up. There are series being made, OTT films being made, and with one click, I mean, I have received messages from all over the world, Shravan, for Tufan, 240 countries plus its territories. Never I had that pressure that the movie is going to be, 100 CR or 200 CR. I just believed in the fact that I need to do good work and not care about the returns. But having said that, OTT has been a blessing. I hope that uh, things open up and we just don't restrict to like Bollywood film or Spanish film. It's a film. Film has a story, and I think a story deserves to be heard by the audience. So I think I feel blessed right now.
Also today, Mrinal, if I genuinely had to categorize, okay, I would refer to Mrinal Thakur pan-India actor. I wouldn't call Mrinal Thakur a Bollywood actor because today, thanks to OTT, like I said, you can be a part of a Marathi film, you can do a Bengali film, you can do a South film, you can do a Hindi film, you can technically and that is great, right? Because today it's Indian film industry. It's not Indian.
That's
film
what I
industry.
want to do, Shravan. I want to break all these barriers, break like earlier they said that a Bollywood actress couldn't play a mother. Why? I see mothers who become mothers at the age of 19, 20. Why can't Bollywood actresses can't be a sister playing somebody who's a sister? No, मुझे sister का role नहीं करना. It's not like that, it's all in the mind, and it's also what we offer to the audience.
Also today, are you content with the kind of work that is coming your way?
A lot. I'm very happy. I am very happy. Earlier I was surviving. Right now I think I'm living my life.
Oh, very well said. And the last one coming your way, the first look of Aap Mein Choli is here. How excited are you for that?
I'm very happy because people have never seen me in comedy before. And my family always loves watching comedy films. And they look for you have no idea how many times we have seen Hera Fairy and other films like that. But then they're like, why don't you feature in a comedy film? And I was like, okay, done. That's it. Here I am.
They put it out for you in the universe, and that has transpired really well. I think
Yes.
Aap Mein Choli is going to be another one to look out for from Mrinal Thakur. But thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you, Shravan.
I
It
hope
was
you
lovely.
had fun. So that was all for today, folks. Do like, share, and subscribe to Miss Malini. And do tune in next Tuesday for yet another episode of Bollywood Zoomies.